कौन सी कार पसंद है?
बड़ी कारें काम पे जाती हैं।
Hi guys, videos like this are going viral on Instagram and YouTube, with many creators getting millions of views and thousands of new followers. Today, I'm going to show you an easy way to create these AI baby funny videos by yourself. First, open ChatGPT and go to the GPTs section. Search for a GPT called AI Baby Funny Video Generator. Once you open it, simply type, "Give me 10 ideas," and submit. It will automatically generate 10 funny baby video ideas in both English and Hindi versions. Choose the idea you like, enter the number, and submit. Then, it will create the image prompt and video prompt for you, also in both English and Hindi. If the prompt is too long for your AI tool, you can simply ask it to shorten the prompt to under 500 characters, and it will generate a more compact version like this. Next, we'll use the AI Marvels app to create the images and videos. I'll put the official access link in the description. It's available on both Android and iOS. Open the app, tap Banana 2, and upload any vertical image as the starting image. For example, I'm using this simple white vertical image. Then, paste the image prompt into the prompt box and tap the arrow button. Within seconds, it will generate an AI baby image like this. Here are some other examples I created using the same method. Now, let's move on to video generation. Go to the AI lab and select AI video. Choose the image to video feature, upload your generated image, and paste the video prompt. If you want the characters to speak Hindi, simply use the Hindi version of the prompt. If you prefer English dialogue, use the English version instead. For the video model, I recommend trying Seedance 2.0 or Veo 3.1 Fast. Both models can create high-quality AI videos with realistic movement and dialogue, just like this example.
Which car do you like?
Big cars go to work.
And that's it. This is how you can create viral AI baby funny videos step by step. I hope this tutorial helps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.